Fresh, homemade bread, warm, soft, and delicious. But what if you could make it effortlessly? The OSIPOTO 2LB bread maker does just that. Designed for beginners, it takes the guesswork out of baking. Just add your ingredients, choose a program, and let the machine do the rest. From kneading to baking, it's all automatic. No skills needed, just fresh, homemade bread every time. No need to monitor or adjust. This machine handles everything with precision. This bread maker isn't just for basic loaves. With 17 automatic programs, you can bake whole wheat, gluten-free, sweet bread, or even cake. Want something more? Make homemade jam or yogurt with just the press of a button. Whatever your preference, it's built to deliver consistent, perfect results. And with 3 loaf sizes, 1, 1.5, or 2 pounds, you can bake just the right amount for yourself or a family gathering. Plus, the adjustable crust settings let you choose between light, medium, or dark for the perfect finish. Customize it to your liking every time. Powerful yet quiet, the 600-watt motor ensures even heat distribution for golden, crispy crusts and soft, fluffy interiors. With 360-degree baking technology, every loaf comes out evenly cooked. And at just 50 decibels, it's quieter than most kitchen appliances. That means no loud buzzing or shaking, just smooth, efficient baking. Want fresh bread in the morning? The 15-hour delay timer has you covered. Set it up overnight and wake up to the smell of warm, freshly baked bread. There's nothing better than starting your day with a slice of homemade goodness. And with the keep warm function, your loaf stays at the perfect temperature for up to an hour, so you can enjoy it fresh whenever you're ready. Cleanup is just as easy. The high-quality non-stick pan ensures hassle-free bread removal and quick cleaning. No scrubbing, no mess, just a simple wipe and it's good to go. Plus, the durable stainless steel exterior adds a sleek, modern touch to any kitchen. This machine isn't just practical, it's stylish too. The OSIPOTO 2LB bread maker makes baking simple, efficient, and fun. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned baker, this machine guarantees high success rates for delicious homemade bread. So why not bring the joy of fresh bread into your home today? With endless possibilities and effortless operation, it's a kitchen essential you'll love.